Alright, so today we're going to be changing the ignition cylinder. Should be able to get it out no problem. I'm going to start by putting this tool under and able to press. The sidebar and get it out. So, and there we go. Alright, so if you don't need to change the ignition, don't change the ignition, because on the ignition itself there's numbers, and it's better to leave the original ignition on in the car if you can, if it's not completely ruined. In this case, the ignition is not ruined. The only problem is when we put the key in, tumblers 2 and 3 are not lining right. So you see, this is the second one, this is the third one, so they're not aligning right, so it doesn't let the ignition cylinder to turn. So we're going to change that and put it back in, cut a key, and call it a day. In order to get the wafers out, you need to make it turn, and just needed to press the wafers down. The only thing left to do is to press the sidebar and get it out. Alright, so we got it out. Now, as you can see, the key is inside, but the second and the third and the last one is not good, so we are going to replace them. The customer was trying to force the key out, and by doing so it might have bent the inside of the wafer, so we're going to change it. And just gotta be careful when you take it out not to lose the spring and the sidebar. Alright, so we got a new key, put new wafers in there. Just wanted to show you that everything goes in smooth. Still got the numbers. We don't have to change the ignition cylinder. We just gotta put it back in. Alright, so the ignition is back in. That's the new key. Turning, and the car is on.
100 extra channels filled.
Smooth. All set.